So it's Tuesday morning and I'm gonna do a day hike. I'm doing the Taft Sentinel loop. Oh, what's up, buddy? And yeah, it's gonna be sweet. I don't know really where I'm going, but it kind of goes this way, it seems like. Gorgeous day. I'm trying to do somewhat of a good job at documenting this, but I'll probably forget most of the time. So maybe I'll see you, maybe I won't. So I fucked up. I thought I went to the wrong place. I hiked for like a mile. It wasn't going the way that I thought it would. I turned around, got back in the car, thought I'd get my bearings and eat lunch, and I'm going back to the same place because the road that I need is closed. So I hiked for 1 mile in the wrong direction, ate all my food, and I haven't even started hiking yet. I haven't even started the real hike, but we're gonna start it now. It's gonna be fine. We have to go up a different way. I'm trying to do Sentinel Dome to Taft Point, and there's a specific trailhead for that. I'm trying to drive. My one hand's covered in peanut butter and jelly because the organic shit doesn't have any emulsifiers in it, so it runs everywhere. My phone just fell on the floor. I've got the GoPro and the steering wheel in the left hand right now. Luckily, it's only a 5 mile an hour zone or whatever, so it should be okay. Maybe I shouldn't be saying this out loud. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna go. Yeah, it was like kind of a false start to the day, but we're on the path now. We're gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We're just hanging out in the valley. It's not even like there's no deadline. We can do whatever we want. There's no one yelling at me either. That's the best part. Like, we don't have to do anything. That's the greatest thing ever, to not have to do anything. You're doing it because you want to do it, not because you have to. All right, back to the same parking lot. Yeah, I'm gonna get to the end of the mist trailhead and then go south, and I think that'll take me to Glacier Point from here. The book I have is telling me to go north. That's why I was so confused, but it was assuming I was at a different lot than I am. So we're all good, brother. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna go up to Taft Point, check it out. And we have no food and no skills, but somehow we're gonna make it. All right, over and out. So, change of plans. I thought I can get up to Glacier Point from over here, but you can't. So I'm gonna do the mist trail instead. I don't think it really matters. I think every single thing you can possibly do here is probably the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Like, for example, this is the Happy Isles Bridge. Going across Happy Isles Bridge, like, okay, that's nice. Yeah, she'll do. You know, not a bad consolation prize, dude. Yeah, I don't think it really matters, man. I'm just happy to be out here, seeing the most beautiful place I've ever seen. Living in the most beautiful place I've ever lived, man. So happy I'm here. You really can't describe it. All right, now, good news, team. I'm not insane. I saw on the map that you could get to Glacier Point. Sorry, everyone was looking at me. I saw on the map you can get to Glacier Point from Happy Isles. Then you said you couldn't. And then I just looked at the trailhead map for Mist Trail and it says you can. It's just like an extra 5 miles. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up to Nevada Falls. There's a bathroom and a bridge. Chill there for a minute. And head over to Glacier Point. Go up to Taft Point. It could be an epic. I mean, we have enough supplies, so we're all good. Jesus. We're going up there. That's where we're going. This is only 1 mile in, so it's really not Like, this is very touristy. I want to kind of get off the beaten path a little bit. That's my goal. So I'll go up the Mist Trail up to Nevada Falls and hang a hard right. We're gonna check her out. All right, see you up there. So it's like a paved trail. Very touristy. Yeah, here's what I want. Let's see it. Oh, Half Dome's only 8 miles. All right, we're going. Dude, the fucking mighty river down there. So sick. There's truly a magic to this place. Look at this, man. God. Insane. It's so nice and cool here. Now it's a pretty brutal uphill to get here. We're like a third of the way done, but it is sweet so far. Damn. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I just got definitive confirmation that Glacier Point is still covered in snow. So there's kind of no indication anywhere down low, but where the Mist Trail splits to go to Glacier Point, there's a warning. And it basically said, if you go up here right now, you're an idiot and no one is coming to get you. So I'm continuing on to the top of the Mist Trail. We're gonna see Nevada Falls and we'll chill up there. That'll be a nice little objective for today. We're gonna figure out what to do after this because this is gonna be a pretty short one, all things considered. All right, toodles. Hey, how about some easy slab climbing into, holy shit. So I think this is Verna Falls, and she's impressive. I mean, they're super peaked right now, I think, because it's springtime. I mean, it is so sick. Oh my God. Holy mother. It is beautiful.
Beautiful. See, half dome.
It's so nice. Probably get so much nice mist after that hike. Oh, it's amazing. It's surreal, man. Look at that. This keeps going. Oh, it's peaking, man. It is beautiful. I haven't even begun to peak. going this way, you're good. So I'm at the top of Verna Falls. You go up this like kind of sketchy little ledge thing. I mean, there's a railing, so it's not that sketchy, but sketchy for a public hike. You get to this like cultivated flat spot up here. I really do feel like I'm in Avatar: The Last Airbender or something right now. I mean, this place is pure magic. Yeah, I don't think that's a secret, but I need to see it for myself. Unbelievable. Oh. Very cool. I shut the camera off for like 2 seconds. I'm still up in the flat spot. I walked like 3 steps from the last video. Just look at, and you can't beat it. It's just insane. Insanely beautiful. Everywhere you look. So I'm walking along this railing. You can get right up to the falls. It's pretty insane. I was gonna say it's nice that they paved this, but this is just how it is. Oh, the thing's got Fritos bag. That's sad. I wish it had an animal, because that means nature would be functional, but no, it had a Frito-Lay's potato chip bag. It's a terrible thing. Oh man, look at this place. This is kind of the other side. This is like above the falls now. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go see the fountain. Let's get in there. See, there was a line to get your picture like right in the corner where the waterfall drops off, so we skipped it. Don't need that. I got a pretty good shot of it, and yeah, so this is like the area beyond the first set of falls, so we're heading to the next one, I think. And it's pretty crazy they let you get like right up to it up here. All they say is don't swim. For some people it's easier said than done though. I mean, the land's still wild, man. It ain't all an amusement park. It's nice. Man, so damn cool. Alright, let's continue. So I found a nice rock that's like right on the water where it's flowing real fast and cool. So I decided to take my boots off and chill here for a minute. My hot feet. I'm shirtless, just the way I always wanted it to be. And I'm just taking it all in, man. Look at this place. Neverland. I found it. I found the promised land. I might never leave. And if I do, I'm coming right back. So had a nice little rest on a rock. Got real zen with it. And now I'm continuing to march upward. Dude, I mean, you can go right out here. This is insane. Oh, I should have been over here. No, I liked where I was at. A little shady. Got some sun. It's slippery out here, so just be aware. Check it out, there's a bridge. Dude. Unbelievable. So it's a long way up. It does not relent. But it's so damn worth it. Woo! Yeah, baby. That is cool. Getting to the top. So that's Nevada. I don't think we can get to the very top of it, but that lady could have been wrong. Oh, there's the titular mist. And it is a perfect day. I don't say that very often, but this is legitimately a perfect day. And holy shit, what a cardio workout. It is just a staircase from the bottom to the very top. It does not relent ever, and we still have a ways to go, but the price could be no other. So I'm here. I thought I could take this all the way to Panorama, which then cuts over down through here to Glacier, but this is all closed for the winter, or at least Glacier is. So I'm just going to about face and go back down the way that I came. It was super gnarly coming up here. It was basically a 3-mile long staircase, and yeah, I'm feeling it. Coming down should be chill though, and probably was a little over ambitious to get all the way to Glacier, even if it was open. So glad we're doing what we're doing. All right, peace. So this is the top of Nevada Falls, and it's flat. One of the only areas in the entire trail that isn't a staircase. Not a complaint though, just an observation, because look at where we are. It was all worth it. Just a side note, as the crow flies, I've traveled like 2.8 miles, but it's taken me 3 hours to get up here. It's a pretty gnarly little uphill hike. Oh, there she is, man. I think this is Half Dome. Yeah, because the cable, that's right, the cables are up here somewhere. I'm actually gonna get the binoculars and see if I can look at them, and I'm gonna go look at the falls, chill up here for a bit, and then we head down and get some coffee and dinner. Hell yeah. Starting the descent. Chilled up here for like a half hour or so, took a little nap, and now we down climb a lot, but feeling good, feeling hungry, definitely need a coffee. It's gonna be sweet getting down there, and then we're gonna hang out. We're gonna go look at El Cap in golden hour. That's what I want. Golden hour El Cap. All right, see you down there. So I'm already at the top of Verna. It took me like a half hour just to get down here, but the reason it took a half hour, I must have got off